relax. The past was here before you. This is your shelter. Feel the sensation of a cultural splash. Can you feel it? Wake up. Follow your friends. You will not regret this. Scratch the surface of history. Run the streets, and with each corner you encounter a different era. Feel the East around you. Explore. The West will find you. Close your eyes and open your soul. Wow, don't panic. You're welcome. Once you drink water from Seville, you'll come back again. But promise your friendship at the Bridge of Love, and imagine a view from up there. Now sit and enjoy some coffee. That's handmade. There are plenty of details to explore. But try a local treat first. Yeah. Now go. Go and explore. It's hard to tell which is better, day or night. And tonight, film came to Sarajevo. Tonight, Sarajevo is the center of the world. Yes, you will sometimes dream of this day, and sometimes the scent of coffee will take you back there. And yes, you will never forget this. Embrace your friends. Promise you will come back, because when you do, you'll be welcomed in Sarajevo.